ready for her right now. She is here tonight, and of course, you know, she's here with an open heart. Lost in Time Festival 2024. Please make some noise and welcome on stage the super talented, the very beautiful JAH9!
Optimistic. We keep our mind free and clear and beautiful.
Resource they've got, they're tapped into the veins of the masses the system maintains, feeding on their useless and draining from their brains, having the weak ones are rejected and that turn toward the
In the midst of all of the drama, in the midst of all of what is going on in the world, we give thanks for love and all of the beautiful things that make us feel good. Yeah? Can you relate? Who does feel good? Things that make my body feel good. Like this. Things that make my body feel good. Oh, little things that make my body feel good. Them the things I like. Listen. The love is when the muscles start burn. Love it when the body start learn how to bend. Like to feel the pelvis oscillate and feel the lean activate, and I'm transported to a higher place. In the sea or in the dance or on the yoga mat. In the office or in the vehicle or anywhere. Just man out of the high vibration and surrender to the high vibration of the things that make your body feel good. Them the things I like. Things that make my body feel good. Them the things I like. Things that make my body feel good. Oh, things that make my body feel good. Oh, little things that make my body feel good. Oh, them the things I like. Ladies and gentlemen, we give thanks for that love between man and woman that brings life. We're conscious, we're lost it. So I take a risk, I let him. I am afraid, I admit to him. This type of surrender was an under agenda, but I find that this brother is inspiring. Him to have no money, him still kind of young. I love her and a fighter, but I just send him home. This type of surrender was an under agenda, but listen, we're gonna give it to you in vintage style because we love the young man them, but we like the elders too, yes? The gray-haired man them, the big man them, right? The provider and protector types, right? The emotionally intelligent types, right? No 50-50 around here. Oh. Kick it out! Same vibe, new style. Big people argument. Because it's the big people things make the babies around here, right? So I take a risk, I let him in. I am afraid, I admit to him. This type of surrender wasn't on the agenda, but I find that this brother just something new. And my favorite thing you bring for me is a wonderful thing to find love. It is. You can find whatever it is you put your mind to. Anything you concentrate on, that is what will manifest. So protect your mind, youths. Protect your mind, elders, brothers and sisters. Don't let them in. The screen time and the rotting and the social media, it's all good, you know. We're glad for it. Make some money. Money, definitely. But protect your mind. Love each other. Build families. Build community. Build yourself. Because it starts with loving yourself. Everything comes if I concentrate. When I focus on the right thing, I either shut all the world and release the hate, or focus on the fighting. I don't have to follow no trends or justify no inspire. I just have to visualize what I want and know that I have to create my dreams. I actualize. It's not a hope I'm creating, because I see how thoughts manifest what I want, and I know that my mind's not a plaything. I can bring my own damnation if I judge and count what I don't, what I do. Or I can build a whole damn nation and make all our dreams come true with a focused mind, clearing my conscience and an open heart. An open heart. All I need is a focused mind, clearing my conscience and an open heart. An open heart. To everyone who's hurt me and for everything I've lost. Yes, all of the trauma to bring me down. Peace of mind it cost. Round of applause in this moment. Give thanks for bringing me here. 'Cause I'm now full to the brim with potential, and nothing else left to fear. Adversity is a teacher. my choices. But you choose whatever you like. Yeah? No judgment. Kick it off. Yes, I. Do you?
Well worth the wait. It's been over 4 years and we're so glad we just saw her. Please make some noise for JAH9! I said she could have come back and do that again. We asked her to come back and do it again now. It's on the tune.